That's been an amazing experience. An event of learning about self and us as a couple.
It's been incredible. I knew it would be amazing, but it's beyond what my expectations were, and it's allowed Todd and I think, to kind of open up the areas where we need to communicate more, and I'm incredibly grateful to you for making that happen, and my own spiritual growth, I think, is really being fired up. I feel myself opening up to things that I didn't recognize needed to be open, so it's been pretty amazing. Just opening up our souls and working on connecting our souls on a deeper level.
It's a very comfortable situation, so it's nothing to be scared of, especially being a guy that typically wouldn't gravitate towards something like this without being pulled in. Very safe, very nurturing, very rewarding. It's in a beautiful place that a lot of people would never visit otherwise.
The workshop is all about not being afraid to look at the things that have been scary, to try to discuss and talk about and understand why they're there. It's an opportunity for incredible growth and healing, really, on that spiritual level. It's incredible to see all the different age groups here who are receiving the same things and the same growth and the same incredible aha moments that I think we've had. I would recommend it to anyone, and I will.
I thought it was really wonderful. We had a lot of opportunity to share and learn some things about each other, and to open up and make ourselves feel more vulnerable, and learn some things about ourselves and about our partners. It was very nice. My big takeaway is to be more open and more loving, more patient, and try to understand my partner. Patience, empathy, love.
My inspiration was being around a lot of open-hearted people who were willing to, share their vulnerabilities, and to have my husband be willing to come with me and do that was just an amazing thing. To feel so connected by the other people that were willing to put themselves out was so inspiring to me. It just opens up a lot more love in your life, just even with people you don't even really know, but that you feel so connected to. So I'm so happy, Portia. You did such a nice job with all of us. Like, your loving kindness really comes through, and it's infectious. So thank you so much for a great weekend.